Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is Alfred from Practical Code Academy, and welcome to our second video in our course where we're going to explain or go over how you can install MUI in your React application. I will start. I created a folder here, empty folder. I call the folder React-MUI. I'm going to open it with Visual Studio Code, so you can right-click on it and open it with Visual Studio Code. Once it opens, you can close the Get Started screen. As you can see, it's an empty folder. I will start by creating a React application using the create React app command. So I'm going to open my terminal. You can press Control and the backticks key, or you can simply go View and then click the terminal, which is the shortcut for it is Control and the backticks key. Then you want to create a React application by typing npx create -react app, and this is the tool that will generate all the files and the boilerplate for React. And you need to specify where you want to create this application. And in that case, I want to create it here in my current directory. So you put dot. And that will go ahead and install React for you and create all files and folders that you will need for the project or React application. Now the React application get it installed, and you can see it created all this folder of files for you. And you will have the source where you source folder where you write your applications here, React application. And if you open the package.json, you'll find your scripts where you can start the application or build the application for production. Also, you can test and eject the application. So I will start the boilerplate that React provide me or start the application by using the start script here. So all I need to type in the command line, npm start, and that should start the application. And that's the boilerplate that you will get from the React application. The basic code, you can find it here in app.js. That's what you see on the screen, where it's showing the logo and some text and some links. Okay, now we want to install Material UI to our application. As you can see now, the dependencies in our application, only the testing library from React and React DOM, React scripts. We want to install the Material UI version 5 in our application. So all you need to do is just go to the Material UI webpage, mui.com. You click Get Started. And click the installation button here. And it will tell you want to install it with npm. This is the command to install it. Or you want to install it with yarn. I'll go ahead and install it with npm. Notice that there are actually 3 libraries that you will be installing: the Material UI, the Emotion React, and the Emotion Styled components. These 2 libraries, we're going to use them for styling the components or customizing the components. However, this is the main Material UI library that you want to install. So you can click here and copy this command line and head back to your Visual Studio Code, close the development server by pressing Ctrl+C, type Y, and paste the command right here. Once you paste it, it will go ahead and install the libraries for you. While the library is getting installed, I'm going to clean up my application structure here by deleting the test files. I can delete the logo, also the report web vitals and setup test. You can simply delete all these files. Click, delete. Once you delete them, you can go to the index.js, and of course, we already deleted the report vitals file. You can remove it from here and remove it, all these commands here. Save the file, go to the app.js, remove the logo because we deleted the logo file here. You can clean everything here from the header all the way down. And you can type in a simple text like hello world. You're going to save that and wait for the library to be installed. Now we have the libraries installed, and you can see that in the package.json. You should have the Emotion React installed, which is version 11, Emotion Styled version 11, and you also have the React Material UI version 5.93, which is the latest version right now. Since we have these packages, now we can use all the React Material components out of the box. Since we installed the libraries, I'm going to start by creating a folder here called components, and that's where I'm going to write my codes and create the components, React Material components here, and use them. But now, since we clean up the application and we put an H1 here, if you start your app right now by npm start, here we go, and it's centered to the middle of the screen because we have the app.css, which is doing that. It have text alignment center, and this is a class app. And in our code here, we have a class for this div with the name app as well. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to start going over the easiest component provided by React Material, which is the typography. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.